So today we are going to learn the poem What If, which is written by Shel Silverstein. Okay. In this poem, he has described how we people are having a lot of negative thinkings in our mind, that we think a lot that this will happen, what I am going to do, that what are the bad things are coming into our mind generally. Okay. So in this poem, Shel Silverstein wanted to depict that if a child is having such kind of feelings or thoughts in his mind on daily basis. Last night, while I lay thinking here, some what ifs crawled inside my ear. So it means he's saying that some thoughts have coming into his mind and pranced and partied all night long and sang their same old what if song. What if I am dumb in school? Now the child is singing, if I am dumb in school, I am not able to speak, then what is going to happen? What if they have closed the swimming pool? If I am in the swimming pool and they have closed the swimming pool, what is going to happen with me? What if I get beat up? If somebody will beat me, then what is going to happen with me? What if there's poison in my cup? If somebody is putting poison in my cup, what if I start to cry? If I'll cry, what is going to be happen? What if I get sick and die? When I will become sick and die? What if I flunk that test? I'll fail that test. If I'm not passed in the test, then what is going to happen with me? What if I green hair grows on my chest? Now he is thinking that some kind of green color hair will grow on his chest. What if nobody likes me? If nobody will like me, then who is going to talk with me? Then I will be feeling very bored. What is going to happen? What if a bolt of lightning strikes me? So all these what ifs are coming to in his mind, that all are useless thoughts which are coming to poet's mind. What if I don't grow taller? Now he's thinking that if he will not grow tall, then what is going to happen with him? He will remain short-heighted. What if my head what if my head what if my head starts getting smaller? Now he's thinking that if his head is getting smaller in size. What if the fish won't bite? The fish will not bite, then what is going to happen? What if the wind tears up my kite? If the wind tears my kite, what if they start a war? If people start a war, they are fighting with each other. What if my parents get divorced? Now he's thinking that his parents will be apart. What if the bus is late? If the bus is late, what is going to happen? What if my teeth don't grow in straight? Now my teeth are not going in straight. What if I tear my pants? If I tear my pants, what is going to happen? What if I never learn to dance? That I am not able to learn dance. Everything seems well, and then the night time, what if strike again? Then again, when he is going to sleep, again these kind of what ifs are coming into his mind. So the poet is talking here that so many useless thoughts come into our mind. We should not pay attention to them, and we should not think about such negative thoughts, okay, which make us feeling low. So it is clear to you everyone. The poem is clear to everyone. The poem is clear to everyone. Can you tell me the name of the poem? What is the name of the poem?
What if?
And who is the poet?
Ma'am Shel Silverstein.
What are the things are coming into his mind? What are the what ifs coming into his mind? Can you tell?
Negative things. Negative things.
Yes. What about you? Some negative thoughts are coming into your mind also. What kind of thoughts are they? What do you think normally? That when we are going by, yes. Yes, speak up.
मैम मुझे रात को सपना ही नहीं आते.
This is not, he is talking about that he is having any dream. He is just thinking that when what happened, when we are going from a two-wheeler, we may think that maybe we will not get hurt. Some what ifs come into your mind or not? That we will get hurt, we will have accident. This kind of thoughts can also come when we are going out. We are so afraid on two-wheelers. Or we are thinking, what if for someone else? He may not get hurt. He is getting late. What if I will miss the bus? Now I'm getting late. Okay. What if like I'm having a glass So what if it will break? We are thinking that it may not break. So I should handle it carefully. So these are the what ifs are coming into our mind. When you are studying, you are thinking, what if I'll not get good marks? I will get fail. What is going to happen? If you have done something wrong, then you think that what if my parents will scold me, okay, for this deed. So many what ifs comes into our mind also.